Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about what are email templates in ServiceNow. Email templates are reusable content for subject and body of the email notification. Let's say let's say if you are sending email notification in one format for every type of task. In that case, rather than providing email content which is subject and body in each notification separately, you can create one template and use in all notification wherever you want that format. It provides the consistent information and also it save our time. So let's create one email template and select the templates available in system notification. So these are the currently available email templates. Total 74 email templates are there. So let's click on new. We will create one new template. Demo email template and we will create for problem table. Subject, let me select the fields from here. Number. Subject is number updated. So here we will write email body. Number, category. You can pull any fields you want. So currently I am pulling few fields assigned to. Let's save this email template. Let's create one notification as well. So on figure, click on notifications, click on new. So which table? Problem table. And here when to send section, click on this updated. And we have a condition here. When category changes to hardware. Okay. In who will receive section, let's pull assignment to. Yeah, that's all. Okay, click. And here, normally, guys, when you create a notification, you have to provide the data over here, the subject and content, okay, for that particular notification. In this case, I am going to select template. So I don't need to put any content over here because when this notification will be sent automatically, it will take this email template. So whatever the subject and body that we will mention in this template, system will take the data from that template. So let's type our template name here. Demo email template. Let's copy this. This is the one. Just check that and save your notification. Let's click on this preview notification. So this is how our notification will look like. Hello, number, category and assigned to. So let's update one problem record. Change this category to hardware and click on save. Yeah. Let's check email logs. Click on this. So this is the email template which we have created, right? See, hello number category assigned to, and the subject is number updated. So let's open this email. So in this record, if you see, the subject is number updated and the recipient is problem coordinator A. Okay. In the assigned to, we have a problem coordinator A, right? So that is the recipient here. Click on preview email. See here we didn't mention any data directly in notification. However, it pull all the data from email template. So this is the content, right, which we have mentioned in the email template. See hello number category and assigned to. Number category and assigned to. Yeah, this is how you can use email templates in ServiceNow, guys. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.